All right, guys, welcome back. So take a look at this trade today. Made $2,049 year to date. That puts us up $54,831. This entry on UNH we filled at 290.26 and sold at 292.35. The order time was 10:15 and the exit time was 10:23. So this is an 8 to 9 minute trade. Let's break that down real quick for us. I circled where our entry was and where our exit was, and we used the strategy of the 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. strategy of the 1 minute, 5 minute RSI using candles. And let me just show you. So here we had sell off here from 300 all the way down to about 290. Waited for that $half whole dollar level. We followed the 4-step principle that I was showing you in the previous videos. I saw that we had support in the 290 range, which we had retest right in this range of 290. We also had another retest of 290 right here, and then here was the next retest of 290. So let's go back to it. We were 10 days looking in the past. We can see that there was a retest there. So now when we saw that dip coming from 300, we knew that we were waiting to make our entry. I marked it off here. Right, this is my entry at 10:15. You can see the time up here and then the RSI right here. So on the 1 minute chart at 10:15, the RSI down here was 21. And then looking at the 5 minute chart, the RSI was 10, which I'm going to show you. So right here, RSI was 10, and on the 1 minute it was 20. So they were lining up, which is multi-alignment is what I'm looking for. The next thing I was looking for, which was my entry right in here, looking for green volume bars to take over. You had this indecision candle right here with the thin wicks you could see. So you had the green volume increasing, and then I made my exit 10 minutes later up in here at 292.35. But just to break it down, you look back at the 10 days, compared the previous resistance, the previous support level 290. We had the sell-off from 302 all the way down. We looked at the 1 minute and the 5 minute RSI during a high volatility time from 9:30 to 10:30. Then what we did was we made our entry based on the 1 minute and the 5 minute being below 20. The 1 minute was less than 20 and the 5 minute RSI was less than 10. Then we followed the candles with the green structures to hold our position, knowing that when we made this entry, our green volume candles were picking up. So that was nice to see. We want to make sure that when we make the entry, our green volume candles here are starting to increase, which they were. And then I took profits when RSI started increasing up to like 47 to 50, and it started stalling out, and that's where I took my profits. So it's a quick strategy, 9:30, 10:30 a.m. strategy, looking for the 1 minute, the 5 minute, looking at the green volume bar, and then comparing in the past when there was other areas of support around 290 here, 290 here, and then there was a previous 290 in this range as well, which we will point out, which gave me confidence to take this trade. And that's how I made $2,000 in less than 8-9 minutes. Let me know if you have any questions. Definitely message me on the Whop or the YouTube channel. If you are a member, I appreciate it. And that was just the recap of how I made that much money.